Hey guys, it's Edith. It is really warm here. All warming up here at 77 degrees. So I thought I'd come down to the park and take a walk. Really, really, really nice. I'm way down from where I normally walk. I had to go to town, so I thought I'd come in on this side of the park. I've got my Fitbit at home, so I can't, that's a really pretty tree. I can't record my steps. But yeah, it's nice to walk here, really nice. So how's everyone? I think it's starting to warm up most places, and I bet everyone is happy that it's starting to warm up because we've had so much cold weather this year. Oh, I wanted so much to be able to go get my sister when it just passed away. I had planned on going back to get her and bring her over to where I live to and let her hang out. So, bless her heart. Families are the greatest thing we have. I hope it doesn't start raining here because I'm actually feeling it. Not being sick with coughing and choking from things that we've all had. Myself and my son, it's just been horrendous, crazy. So I thought I'd walk and show you the rivers. I know there's some people that don't get out. They don't get to see what I see. But yes, this is my first walk in a while because weather's not nice. And there are people in the park. Kids are playing at the park. The trees are budding. I don't know if you can see, but that's nice that they're budding. There's the little red one. This is the other bridge that I come to sometimes. I like walking over here too. Anything for exercise. But you know, when you sit, you just get you like freeze up, you know. You gotta watch all around you to see who's around, who's doing what. You have to be safe. So, my son and myself were coming the other day from somewhere, and we saw in the river a couch was floating down the river, and he says, "Why would people do that?" So this is one of the trees where I'm standing. It's so tall. That's two of them actually. Isn't that amazing? So I told him, you know what? They just had that tornado up the other way, and I would say that couch probably floated down. That's something sad to think about, isn't it? So here we are now at this one. Oh, actually, you can see that couch over there if you look close. It's a brown couch on the other side of the river. Someone must have dragged it out, which is a good thing. I can't tell what else is in there because you can tell there's something in there the way the water's going around it. Could be a tree. So this is one part of the river where I normally walk. This one over here is the river, but it goes uptown. I usually just come to the park from where I live. Sorry about that, clearing my throat. That was rude. So here's another big tree. Oh wow. Is that amazing? They're what? As big as these trees are. So yeah, I better go finish with my walk so that I can get down. I hope you're all doing well. This is Edith, my weight loss journey, 1 step, 1 pound. I did lose quite a bit of weight last year and the year before. I was down 54 pounds last year, and it felt so good to get that weight off because I show you pictures where I was 253 pounds. How embarrassing, how unhealthy I was. It's not good to gain that weight at all. So I'll let you all go, and I'll take off again here in a minute. I'm going to do the other side of the river. God bless. Check out my channel. Please like and subscribe. If you'd be so kind and share with others. Okay? God bless. Bye-bye.